I will show you how super easy it is to create a ransomware, and a script kiddie with access to any of the tools that we will see now will be able to easily customize his own ransomware, send it to you and ask you for money. For the sake of this tutorial, I've created a simple wallpaper here that will be our message to the victim that he will not be able to see his files. He needs to contact us at a certain address, maybe pay us money, transfer bitcoins, so that we will help him to view his files again. Open the tool. With just a couple of options selected here and clicks, you will be able to create your own ransomware. We will select the wallpaper, which will be our message to the victim, and we will select an icon that mimics a PDF file. Select anti-kill and UAC exploit and press on build. You will be able to see here the ransomware file created. Similarly, press on virus fixer PC and remove these two options from here. Press on build to get the decryptor. Now we have two files here, the ransomware file and the decryptor file. Let's go to my desktop to see that I have a couple of icons here, images that I can view, files that I can open, etc. Okay, I will go to my ransomware, double click on that. Notice what will happen on the desktop. These files will be locked and the wallpaper will be changed to our custom wallpaper that conveys a custom message to the end user. Let us try to open any of these files and you will see that they cannot be viewed. Now, after the end user usually contacts the attacker or pays him money, transfers the bitcoins to him, the attacker will provide him with a decryptor file in where the victim will be able to restore his files. If you double click on that, everything will go back to normal. Now, after running the decryptor, let's try to open these files, and here you go, everything is back to normal. For you not to fall victim of a ransomware, first of all, do not pay the ransom, because this act only encourages these attackers to perform more of these actions. Restore any impacted files that you have from a good backup. Do not provide personal information when you answer your calls or emails, because most of the times these attackers will try to trick you in order to install such malware on your PC. Always use a reputable antivirus software and a firewall, and make sure you have content filtering on your email.